In this video I am going to show you how to install Active Directory services. Means we'll call it as a ADDS, Active Domain Services. Where you can see that, you can see here in Server Manager, go to local server and here you can go here. Okay, next, here you need to select AD domain services. Click on this. Okay, then moreover, normally in real time we have both Active Directory services and DNS server services will be in the same machine normally. Okay, these both, this one and this one. Then go next. It's okay, it's by default it will be available, no need of going to that. Go next. Later I will discuss you how to connect to the Azure Active Directory Connect. Okay, later in another sessions I will show you. Go DNS, restart the server. Once this is done, we need to configure that. Okay, now this service we are installing right now, it will take some time. It is done. You can close it and restart your server. Better, that is the better thing. Go here, restart the machine. Restarted. Now you have to promote the server as a ADDS. Server Manager. Here you can see at the manage, you can see here promote this one. Okay, promote this server to a domain controller. Click on this. This is the forest. These three, what is the use of that, I will tell you one by one. In this video I am going to do a new forest. Okay, later I will show you both in another videos. Here domain name I can give a forest, means a new forest. Okay, here world, this is the main forest. Okay, then later you can create subdomains. We'll call it as a forest as well as domain. Suppose you have some sister concerns also, you can add this one. Okay, fine. .com. Go next. Later I will discuss about this. This is, suppose in your organization we have some old servers that has to be I can say that has to be connected. Means you need to go with that. It's, as of now it's no use. A lot of companies and lot of servers are in 2016 only. You can go with 16, and this is very important topics for who are able to password. Fine, go next. Here automatically it will come world.com. Okay, see, go next. Here you can see the Active Directory database locations. This is the database location and folder location, log files, system related information will be storing in this box. If you want to change, you can change. Go next. This is the thing. You can see this. If you want to go with any using PowerShell script or something, you can use this one also. Import this directly, you can install it, no worries. You can save. If you want to save, you can save it. and how you can save new DNS dot ps1 PowerShell, like that. Fine. Go next. These are the things you can ignore, no problem at all. DNS, everything is fine. Next, install it. It is giving this. What are the progress means? Group policy management installation, okay, local computer, creating data directory, creating a directory configuration, users, objects are there, right? AD server is useful for adding your user accounts and all devices like computers, printers, scanners, etc. It is taking time. See, it is saying sign out, restart. Okay, then you have to connect with the ADDM services, Active Directory domain services. Fine, it is automatically restarting. Now you can see here world.administrator. You can log in here. You can see that. It's no problem. Go here, properties. Fine. Your mission name .world.com. Here you can see that. Okay, fine.